How has been the journey? कैसा रहा? And challenging सा एग्जाम है थोड़ा. What is your take on it वैसे? कितना challenging है?
चैलेंजिंग तो नहीं है, मतलब इट इज अ सिंपल जर्नी। मीन्स बस वही जो उन्होंने पढ़ाना है बस वही पढ़ना है, कोई एक्स्ट्रा मैंने ना कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ा है मैंने।
Hi, this is Jaspreet from Academically, and I'm so happy to have Mr. Harvinder Singh with us, who has cleared the CAPS exam. Welcome, Harvinder Singh ji, and many, many congratulations.
थैंक यू एंड थैंक्स अ लॉट टू एकेडमिकली स्पेसिफिकली।
How has been the journey? कैसा रहा? And challenging सा एग्जाम है थोड़ा. What is your take on it वैसे? कितना challenging है?
चैलेंजिंग तो नहीं है, मतलब इट इज अ सिंपल जर्नी।
Okay.
एंड स्पेसिफिकली अगर हम सिलेबस देखते हैं तो हमें मतलब ऐसे लगता है कि सिलेबस बहुत ज़्यादा है, इट इज़
Hmm.
वेरी वास्ट, बट I think there should be a good coaching institute that should be taken so that we should be specific toward the topics that have been asked in the exam. And I have started my batch in the approximate in the March, and so it was a normal journey only, and the 2 hour class at the evening, and after that it was a normal revision only। मीन्स बस वही जो उन्होंने पढ़ाना है बस वही पढ़ना है, कोई एक्स्ट्रा मैंने ना कुछ एक्स्ट्रा पढ़ा है मैंने। एंड जो हमारे मॉक टेस्ट वगैरह थे एंड वही किए हैं बस, एंड नथिंग फॉलोड एनी अनदर बुक और एनीथिंग एल्स सर।
So, अगर हम challenging की बात करते हैं, like you said, इतना तो नहीं है, तो 1 to 10 के स्केल पे कितना रेट करेंगे आप? How challenging was the exam?
इट वाज वी कांट से इट चैलेंजिंग क्योंकि अब I'm a वर्किंग गाय, एंड तो सुबह से मेरी शाम तक जॉब होती थी, एंड शाम को मैंने आके मतलब 2 घंटे की क्लास लगानी है, एंड क्लास के बाद जो एक एक 1.5 घंटा मैंने पढ़ना है बस। तो चैलेंजिंग तो नहीं कह सकते कि अगर कोई वर्किंग गाय जो मतलब हु इज वर्किंग फॉर द 8 to 10 hours कैन क्लियर द एग्जाम, देन इट डजंट सीम टू बी चैलेंजिंग।
So I think it's a 2. It's a 2 on a scale of 1 to 10 कि ठीक है, मतलब you have been working and like for 2 to 3 hours of study with the material that was well organized, it was given to you. And
Material was so much specific that it was to the point, nothing
hmm,
extra।
that is amazing. बाकी कैसी रही आपकी journey all through being with Academically? Any moment that you can recall, something that you really loved and you'll always cherish?
The best thing was that the recall sessions basically.
Hmm.
It's very much interesting and very much good thing that have been taken by the academically as जब हम कोई भी हम अपनी मतलब जर्नी या अपनी स्टडी स्टार्ट करते हैं तो पहले बहुत कुछ पढ़ना पड़ता है हमें। तो विद टाइम वी हैव बीन मेड स्पेसिफिक दैट विच टॉपिक्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट स्पेसिफिकली इन द रिकॉल्स। एंड रिकॉल्स मतलब इतनी बार हमारे मतलब सेम क्वेश्चंस हमने किए हैं रिकॉल्स के, तो वो तो मतलब क्वेश्चंस रट ही गए थे कि पेपर में
आपका
जाके।
ना, सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट यू, आपकी ऑडियो बीच बीच में थोड़ी नीचे हो रही है.
1 मिनट, आई शुड
द
कनेक्ट विद द
ऑडियो इज
वाई।
गोइंग. कैन यू ट्राई स्पीकिंग एक बार थोड़ा सा? मेरे ख्याल से वो बहुत ही कम हो गया. हाँ, अभी
कनेक्टिंग
अभी तो आवाज ही नहीं आ रही है.
कनेक्टिंग टू माई वाईफाई वे।
ओके.
इज इट ओके नाउ?
Yes, yes, I can hear you now. So about the recall sessions, you were saying that they were very engaging.
Recall sessions were very much engaging, and doing of the recalls again and again was very
Hmm.
much a good thing that we have been doing with। and मतलब क्वेश्चन was so much specific that मतलब याद हो गए थे क्वेश्चंस की किसका आंसर क्या है, तो it was very much helpful। and
एब्सोल्युटली. अच्छा, अब चलो, अगर रिकॉल सेशंस को रेट करना हो 1 to 10 में से, तो कितनी रेटिंग दोगे आप हमारे रिकॉल सेशन?
8 to 9।
8 to 9 out of 10. Actually, we do get a lot of good reviews about the recall sessions because people really, really enjoy it.
If I should say that almost 60 to 70% of questions were from the recall sessions and the MCQs only, and
Wow, yeah, awesome.
the rest, the 30% of the questions were the from mainly from the concepts that were taught। So only मतलब we can say that 10% was paper little bit different with the new questions only।
No, I
new
think that's
concept.
what people do also. कि 10% paper set होता ही है so that इंसान सोचे, it makes you think a little more. So अच्छा, what do you think कि if somebody is preparing for the exam now, it is going to be opera from March 2025. Somebody preparing for the exam, what would be your message to the ones who are preparing?
My message would be that you should be, when you are starting your journey for this study, then you should be specific toward your syllabus. And specifically I will suggest that the use of, you should join the academically specifically. That makes you more specific towards the clearing the exam. So that is only my suggestion, and it was very much good journey. The last 6 months was very much good journey with the academically, and there was no pressure of the syllabus. Like there was no, we can say, pushing of the syllabus. It was at a normal pace only.
No, we are super glad and elated to hear from you, and we are so proud of you, and so happy to hear from you, Harvinder Singh.
Thank you,
You
man.
know,
Thank you.
thank you so much for joining us,
Thank you, man. Have a nice
and
day.
all the very, very best for your future.
Thank you, man.
Thank you.